Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Now, in No Location Access pop-up, to disable it, select Close. So when I do that and go back, icons that location is now off. If you wish to switch it on, tap on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on the Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!